So friends, welcome back to the next episode of the book review Obstacle is the Way, written by none other than Ryan Holiday. As in the previous lecture, we discussed about that how beautifully the author tried to explain about that how obstacles can be used for our own benefits, how we can make the way through these obstacles. And for this, he has used one particular tool, and the name of the tool was perception. So, what the perception may be. But before that, he himself explained that perception or the power of perception is not like an innate thing or something like we are born with it. It is not an inborn talent. Rather, it is acquired. It is something that we can get it as in the form of skill through our disciplined or through our conscious efforts. So before moving further into the perception, what the author explained is that you must know and we must be aware about what the perception is all about, that how we can be benefited by the way of thinking. So Mr. Holiday explained in his book is that perception is something like the events which we are encountered every day, every moment in our life. As we know that we are encountered by number of events, number of incidents, newses, number of people, which are all common to all of us. Just like at the present era, the whole world is suffering from the COVID-19 and everyone is equally affected by this one. So in the same way, that we are mostly affected by a number of things which are very much common to us. But the secret here is that not all the people react in the same way. It is our individuality that we make out something out of this one. How our mind will decipher it is called our perception. That is why the perception of one person will be different from the perception of other. And ultimately, this is the turning points, a decisive point. As per the author, if we are having a type of perception which is quite favorable, quite positive, if we see positivity into the thing, so definitely our perception would be quite positive and ultimately it leads to some better results. But a perception is negative. If we start looking negativity into the things which has been happening around us, if we see the helplessness, if we see the despair and we see the hopelessness, then definitely the things will happen it. At present, the science is also substantiating the same thing through their research. Through the quantum physics, they are trying to explain that the way we look towards a thing, it becomes the thing. It seems very simple, but actually it is not. Most of the time, we look at a thing in a negative way. Definitely, it will come out in the same way. But if a person who will look the positivity into certain things, it will certainly bounce back. And it happens number of times when we see the people who have turned out to be the great one, who came out victorious out of nowhere. They came out only with the help of that same of their perceptions. In order to explain his all topic, the way of perception, he took the help of one example, the greatest and the richest man of American history, even present today. The name is none other than Mr. Rockefeller. John D. Rockefeller. When he was born, he was very poor, even up to the age of 16 when he got his first job. And the money he got, it was only 15 cents per day. Because his family was very poor, at the age of 16, 1855, he started his job. But 2 years later, 1857 came, and with that came the Great Depression or the great economic calamities of America, where most of the industries crumbled. He saw that the people were getting unemployed. People were losing hope. Everywhere there was hopelessness regarding the economy. Being very young that he could left the scene, but he decided to be very much in the center of the tempest. He tried to learn that what type of these calamities can be, what are its features, why the people are making so much mistakes. And he learned it. And later in his life, he wrote in his book that he was very grateful to those years, those exactly 3 years and the 6 months. He took it as his apprenticeship, and ultimately he found himself that in the coming futures, whenever this type of problems came, he became more richer, he came out more wise, all because of this thing, because he learned to be calm, to be objective, and to be precise. He expressed all the things through these disciplines, and he became the richest man of America by controlling more than 90% of the oil industry of America. He was virtually ruling as far as his oil is concerned. He was the man who was deciding the price. All his richness came all because of all his success, and now we can see the number of philanthropic works through his different type of activities, through type of a trust which he has made it. And following his footsteps, and the present era, Mr. Warren Buffett, he is using the same tactics. In one of his interviews, he talked about when people are buying the things, he keep himself away. His word is that when the people are getting greedy, he became fearful of investing. And when the people feel fearful of investing, he became greedy. And ultimately, you can see that how rich this man is only because of certain perceptions he has applied in his life. That's all in this video. We will come back with the further review of this book in our forthcoming videos. Till then, enjoy. Thank you very much for watching this channel.